So we've come to the end of my guide to surviving the holidays with an eating disorder. I've taken you through considering how diet culture is affecting all of us, how it may be impacting you, of course, but also those around you, and that therefore it can be a really useful foundation for navigating the holidays as best as you can, given how powerful a force your eating disorder is and also how powerful diet culture can be. I've also invited you to consider the different ways in which you can prepare for what you anticipate may be difficult during the holidays. And I'm hopeful that at least one thing, but ideally more, if not all of these things, help to piece together a way for you to survive and perhaps one day thrive throughout this time. If you'd like to know more about diet culture and how it's affecting us, then there is a growing body of research and resources all related to the non-diet and also health at every size approach to health, and how we can slowly reshape our relationship with our bodies and food and our sense of self. I've briefly touched on some cognitive behavioural therapy strategies, as well as acceptance and commitment therapy strategies and mindfulness. If these are all new to you and you would like to know more, then you can find some amazing books related to how CBT or ACT or mindfulness can be helpful to you. We also have a ton of resources on our website. And you could also speak to a health professional about these strategies and find out more about how each approach could be helpful for you. I also realise that everything I discussed may not have touched on or tapped into everything that can be stressful for you about the holidays, but I'm hopeful that some of the tips and tools for exploring how to manage these situations are translatable to your particular situation. Lastly, I would just like to say that living with and recovering from an eating disorder can be such hard work. So I am sure you are doing your best, and with some help and support and the ongoing tenacity to continue despite perhaps many challenges is such a sign of courage. Recovery is definitely possible, and the more that we can help to support you through any of the tough times, the more likely that recovery will be. It is also important for me to stress that in this video I've held in mind all the different types of eating disorders, and that for each there may be different challenges. So again, I couldn't cover everything and be specific to everything with examples, but I hope it serves to reinforce that support and validation and compassion is available for all humans, no matter what particular struggles you may be experiencing. With this in mind, I've also included in this module one of my most favourite meditations, the loving kindness meditation. This is the loving kindness practice. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, or lying down on the floor if you prefer. Gently closing your eyes and bringing awareness to the body. Becoming aware of the sensations of the body while sitting or lying down. Noticing the areas of contact that the body makes with the chair or the floor. Feeling the solidity and firmness of the ground that supports you. And scanning the body and noticing any areas of tension, and with each out breath, releasing this tension and allowing the body to soften. Bringing your attention now to the sensations of the breath, perhaps at the nostrils as air flows in and out, or noticing the belly as it expands with the in-breath and falls away with the out-breath. Moving your attention now to the area of the heart and simply bringing awareness to this area of the body. Noticing any sensations around the area of the chest, or perhaps noticing no sensations at all. If you like, put a hand over your heart or another location that is soothing as a reminder to not only bring awareness, but loving awareness to your experience and to yourself. We begin the practice by offering a sense of kindness to ourselves, repeating the following phrases silently to ourselves. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Through repeating these phases, it is not so much about creating a particular feeling, but rather about bringing a sense of compassion and kindness to yourself, gathering all of your attention behind each phrase. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Now bringing to mind someone who has supported you, been good to you. It could be a family member, a friend or a mentor, and allowing an image of this person to come to your mind. Or if visualizing is difficult, you can silently think of their name. With each in-breath, bringing to mind an image or sense of this person, and with each out-breath, sending them this intention of kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. If you notice your attention has drifted off, letting go of any thoughts and just coming back to the phrases of loving kindness. With the next out breath, allowing the image of that person to dissolve. And bringing to mind now someone who is suffering and is having a difficult time in some way, and offering the phrases of kindness and compassion to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Allowing the image of this person to now dissolve, and bringing to mind someone who you feel no particular feelings towards, but who you may see every now and then, a shop owner, an acquaintance, and acknowledging, although you don't know their particular story, they, just like you, desire happiness and are vulnerable in the face of constant change. And using the breath to support the phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. And extending this field of loving kindness to now include people or groups of people who are suffering at the moment. Knowing that just like you, these people wish to be free from suffering and live in safety. And with each out-breath, sending the intention of kindness and compassion beyond the boundaries of space and time, to include all people, known and unknown, close and far. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. And as this practice comes to a close, remembering that you can use the practice as a way to nourish yourself and return to a sense of connectedness in your life. And finally, I would also love to hear your feedback and hear whether some of these strategies are helpful for you. And if you happen to give things a go during this upcoming holiday season, please let me know whether anything you have practiced and tried has helped. Thank you for watching and for participating, and for giving me the honour of helping you in some way. So on our website, we have also put together and are continuing to keep adding resources that are hopefully helpful if that is of interest to you as well. So we've got videos and meditations related to relaxation or mindfulness, as well as some things related to ACT and exercises related to DBT. So if any of those things are actually of interest of you, they may also work in with a lot of what I've been talking about this series.